station, what would be the decisions?
Well, 4 review meetings have already been conducted. The first one was conducted by the Additional Chief Secretary Revenue. The second was conducted by the Chief Secretary Government of Odisha. The third was conducted by me, and the fourth one was held yesterday under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister, in which all the departments officials were present, and the collectors and other officials of the district were on VC attended the meeting. We have given directives to all the departments as well as the district administration to be alert round the clock 24 hours to face the peculiar weather change in Odisha. Both districts has registered the highest temperature day before yesterday, and that is put at 43.6 degrees Celsius. That was highest in India. So taking that into account, advisory has been issued. The schools examinations are on till 27th, and after that from 2nd of April, morning school will be declared. Similarly, the advisory has been issued to all the district administration to comply the instruction of the state government in letter and spirit. In addition to that, whatsoever is additionally required in their respective district, that will be taken care of by the district administration, by the district collector and magistrate. He may also incur extra expenditure beyond the guidelines issued by the state government, and that expenditure will also be reimbursed by the state government. 300 crore has been released by the PR department for sinking of tubewells in different scarcity pockets, and the district magistrate and collectors, they have been asked to sink tubewells in all the areas where there is water scarcity. Additional fund, if required, will also be provided by the state government. That apart, that prohibition has been imposed on the daily laborers who used to work either in the road construction sector or in different industries. From 11th AM to 3 PM, they will be off the road and off work. If any owner of any construction work violates the guideline issued by the government, a stern action will be taken against them. That apart, in all the areas on the road and into the villages, provision of drinking water will be provided by the district administration, and the fund incurred for that will be either in the urban area, it will be reimbursed by the urban department, and in the rural area, the Panchayat Raj department will take care of that. And all type of measures have been taken in advance this year, because summer has arrived 1 month in advance in the entire country as well as in the state of Odisha. So power cut also, the Tata Energy officials who were present, they were directed not to go for any type of power cut, particularly unofficial power cut, in the event of any repairing or maintenance. In the event of power cut due to maintenance, they have been directed to complete the repairing work within a stipulated time and do not go for power cut beyond the limit. In the night from 9 AM to 6 AM in the morning, and from 11 AM to 3 PM in the noon, they have been directed not to go for any type of power cut.